Welcome to our Google Meet participant tutorial. First, view the video and phone conference etiquette video using the link in the upper right-hand corner of your screen or in the description below. Next, find the event invitation in your email inbox, online calendar, or social media. In the invitation, find the event information, including the day, start time, link to join online, and phone number to join by phone. Here's an example of event information for a community discussion on Saturday, May 2nd from 10 a.m. until noon Central Time with a clickable link to join online using Google Meet and a phone number to use to join by phone. You can join the event in two different ways. First, you can join with Google Meet, which has video and audio, or you can call the phone number to join by phone, which will just have audio. Next, let's talk about participating by phone. First, call the phone number. Then, when prompted, enter the PIN number and press the pound key. Remember to use your phone's mute button when you're not speaking and unmute when you're ready to speak. If your phone's unmute button doesn't seem to be working, try pressing *6. Now let's talk about participating using Google Meet. We'll go through the basics of participating using Google Meet in this video. Additional help is available through Google Support using the link on the screen, which is also in the video description below. First, to join an event online using Google Meet, click the link in the event information. A new window in your web browser will load the Google Meet website. Before you join the event, you can mute your microphone by clicking the microphone button. To unmute your microphone, simply click the microphone button again. You can also turn off your video camera by simply clicking the video camera button. When your video camera is off, participants will see your Google profile picture or a blank avatar. To turn your video camera back on, simply click the video camera button again. Again, please remember to mute your microphone before joining any conversation. When you're ready to join, simply click the Ask to Join button. Once the event begins and the moderator approves your request to join, the event will be loaded and the other participants' videos or avatars will be shown. To leave the event, simply click the Hang Up button. After you leave, you can rejoin the event by following the previous steps again. During the event, the menu bar at the bottom of the screen will be hidden. To unhide the menu bar, simply move the cursor or click near the bottom of the screen. When you're ready to speak, unmute your microphone by clicking the microphone button. When you're finished speaking, remember to mute your microphone by clicking the microphone button again. If you want to turn your video camera off, simply click the video camera button. To turn your video camera back on, click the video camera button again. To turn closed captions on, click the closed caption button. To turn closed captions off, click the closed caption button again. To view the list of event participants, click the Participants button near the upper right-hand corner of the screen. To close the list of event participants, click anywhere outside of the participant list area. You can click here, here, or here, anywhere except here. To view the chat discussion, click the Chat button near the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The chat discussion area will open. This area is helpful for sharing internet links, contact information, such as email addresses and phone numbers, plus other resources. This information can easily be copied and pasted into other documents you may have. To send information to other participants in the chat area, simply click the chat area near the lower right corner of the screen, type your message, then press Enter or click the Send button. To close the chat discussion, click anywhere outside the chat discussion area. You can click here, here, or here, anywhere except here. Those are the basics of using Google Meet. Most importantly, contribute and have fun. Thank you.